So we got a 05 Mercedes-Benz S500 4matic, changing out the air strut. Very simple, probably one of the easiest ones that you can do. All you got is these 3 nuts on top here. The airline, which is 10mm, you're just gonna screw that out. You're going to remove this clip here, just like that. You can literally just pick it off with your finger. You're not gonna need this anymore. Slide that off, toss it, and then you're gonna use this. So you'll remove the shipping plug, you're gonna install this, and then you'll simply push this line. Don't forget to remove the white plastic. This is also a shipping protector. And it's gonna go in here, screw it in, and then you'll remove the white connector. Then you're gonna shove this line all the way down into this thing. Shove it real hard and then pull it back to make sure that it's locked in. But to remove it, you're gonna be taking these 3 bolts off here. Underneath, you're gonna need to go up here, pop this metal clip out right here that's holding these 2 twin connectors together. You see the new one right here is already installed on the back side. You're gonna pull these 2 out and separate them. And then here's the routing. I'm just gonna go to this side reservoir here. I feel like this aftermarket one was a little bit shorter, but it works good. It's still there. And then over here is your 2 E14 bolts to take off. And that's literally all that holds this thing in there. It's so easy to do. And then you'll remove those. This peg on the bottom is made so that only the bolts will go in a certain spot. It's got cutouts in it, so you'll know how to fit it on there. Obviously, as you can see, this one's a little different. It's not touching the bottom of the shock anymore, but it works fine. We've been using Airnaut for years. These are great products for replacement struts, air struts. But that's only the 3 bolts up top, and these 2 down bottom are the only thing that holds it in. And other than that, you just need to undo this plug over here. Like I said, metal clip, pull it up and out, separate it, take it out, separate the 2 plugs. You're done there. Pull it off of here, take these 2 bolts out here, take your 3 out the top, and it will drop out the bottom. So have 1 arm under there holding it if you're strong enough, or have a buddy help you hold it. And that's all there is to it. Install your new one, reverse order, remove the plug, install this, remove the white clip, push the line down in as far as you can, give it a tug, make sure it's locked, tighten all your bolts, and you're good to go. That's all you got to do. Thanks for watching.